Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we got us two wrenches that we're going to clean up. One is this rigid spud wrench. I want to get it looking good and bring it to work so I can get this back in action. And number two is this plum 814. I want to get this looking good and hang it on the wall for display. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well let's get a good look at these. First we got the rigid spud wrench. I am going to repaint this and get it looking as good as I can. I want to most definitely get it operating as good as I can because this is going to be a user in my tool bag at work. Next, the 814 from Plum. I'm definitely going to wire wheel this thing down really good. I want to get it soaking in some deoxy, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the handle. So I say we tear right into this. Alright, they're all broke down. We're going to throw these on the wire wheel. I'll meet you over there. Well, we got these as cleaned as we could with the wire wheel. I think what we're going to do is throw it in a container of deoxy and try and get the rest of this as clean as possible. It'll probably remove the little bit of paint that's left. That'll help us out as well. And we'll just let this sit, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. Let it do its thing. Alrighty guys, well it's been about 2 hours. I'm going to take the rigid out because this is getting painted anyway. And we'll keep the plum in there, and we'll probably finish that tomorrow sometime. So let me get this out of the way and over here. Get this rigid dried off. And it's only a 2-hour soak. It's not like it's super clean or anything. But we're going to be doing more wire wheeling to this. And we got to get the rest of that paint out of there as much as we can. Like I said, it's getting repainted. Alright, we're going to throw this back onto the wire wheel and get the rest of the funk and the gunk off it. We're going to hang this section up to paint. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this section yet. See how it looks when it's on there. I'll probably paint this little section right here. We'll tape it all off, you know. Try and make it look good. Alright, wire wheel time. I'm not going to show you that because we already wire wheeled this. Alright, real quick coat and then we'll come back and do a second. Alrighty guys, it's been about 4 hours. The paint should be fully dry. Feels like it is. Let's get this off here. We'll see what we got. I think it's going to look alright. Oh yeah, that looks lovely, lovely. I'm not going to highlight the writing on the handle. I was thinking about doing that, but it's literally just going to go to work with me and it's going to get covered in funk and gunk and there's no real reason. There it is, the spud wrench. Looking good. Alright. I don't know, I might do something with the lettering. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. Get this out of the way. I think this has sat in here long enough. What did they say, 4 hours? Yeah. Definitely needs a better cleaning. I'll take care of that. Get all the little wire brushes that I have for it and get in every little crevice that we can. Talking Dremel, everything. Alrighty guys, well, that thing came out absolutely fantastic, super clean, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm not going to do any highlighting, nothing like that. I'm just going to leave it all natural. Still has patina on there. Still has all the imperfections, the scars. Pretty sweet. I'm happy with this one. Very nice. That is sweet. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. The plum, that one came out absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to get that hung up on the wall. And the little rigid spud wrench. It's going to look fantastic sitting in my work bag. So that's it guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.